Hi friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to reduce dark spots and hyperpigmentation problems. You can follow these natural DIY steps to reduce these problems. Try this once a week or twice a week. It also helps to get even tone on your skin. So let's see how to do this. Take potato and peel it off. After that, wash it well. Now crush it well. We need small pieces to extract potato juice. You can blend it. You can see I crush it well. Then take a bowl and cotton cloth. Then do like this. Now our potato juice is ready to use. Let's make cleanser. Add 1 teaspoon of potato juice and half teaspoon of raw milk. Mix well and apply all over your face with the help of a cotton pad. Clean your face very well. Potato rich in vitamin C. It helps to reduce dark spots and pigmentation problems on your face. Clean your face 3 to 4 minutes. Then wash it off with normal water. Let's make scrub. 1 teaspoon of potato juice and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well and apply on your face. Especially apply your mouth area. This will help to reduce dark spots and pigmentation. Gently rub like this. Exfoliate 2 to 3 minutes. After that, wash your face with normal water. After this step, you will feel very soft and smooth your skin. Also, your skin will be lightening. Let's make face pack. Add 1 teaspoon of rice flour and 1 teaspoon of potato juice. Mix well. Now apply all over your face. Where you have dark spots, hyperpigmentation, apply thick layer on that area. Potato is very good ingredient to lightening and glowing your skin. Rice flour is a good exfoliator and it also helps to reduce dark spots. Sun damage is the most common reason to build dark spots and hyperpigmentation problems on your skin. Wait for 10 minutes. After that, gently scrub and remove the pack. Then wash it off with normal water. Apply potato juice as a toner. After that, apply moisturizer on your face. You can make your own sunscreen by using aloe vera gel and coconut oil. Mix both ingredients well and apply on your face. Follow these steps at least once a week, then you can feel the real results. Hope you like and get something knowledge in this video. See you soon with next video. Till then, bye.